The National Disaster Management Authority has warned of floodwater from the Indian mainland and Indian occupied Kashmir flowing rapidly towards Pakistan. According to a televised briefing, the upper catchments of the Satluj in Himachal Pradesh have two dams that were filled prematurely due to high temperatures. Free flowing water has moved into the Beas and Satluj with flows over 100,000 cusics along the Beas and 50,000 to 80,000 cusics in the Beas heading towards Pakistan. At the hydraulic structure in Hariki, the flow is 300,000 cusics. Water from there moves to Kasur and reaches Ganda Singhwala, where an exceptionally high flood is underway. A high flood at Suleiman Ki is contributing to flooding in Pakpatan and Bihari. The NDMA added that unusually heavy rain and high temperatures in the upper catchments of the Ravi in Indian occupied Kashmir have filled dams, creating a free flow flood of 100,000 cusics headed for Pakistan. By September 4th, water from the Satluj, Chenab, Ravi, and Jhelum is expected to gather at Panchnath in Bahawalpur, Rajanpur, and Muzaffargarh. A low pressure system is forecast to enter Pakistan from India around September 6, bringing heavy rain and thunderstorms to Sindh, including Tharparkar, Sajawal, Thatta, Badin, and Mirpur Khas from September 6 to 10th. The NDMA urged citizens to take early warnings seriously, stay away from riverbeds and low lying areas, heed evacuation notices at embankment breaches, and keep property and livestock away from riverbeds. Punjab Chief Minister Mariam Nawaz said her government will not only provide temporary relief but will help rebuild the affected families through rehabilitation and health facilities. PTI's Salman Akram criticized the Punjab government for not providing adequate relief to displaced people and their cattle. Official updates say 198,655 people have been evacuated from riverbeds in Punjab. Over 3,300 villages are affected along the Ravi, Satluj, and Chenab. The death toll in Punjab has risen to 43. 3.36 million people have been affected and 1.29 million have been rescued and shifted to safety. Over 400 relief and medical camps and 385 veterinary camps are operating with nearly 800,000 animals evacuated. APP reports precautionary measures against a possible dengue outbreak, including surveillance, spraying, and awareness campaigns. Governor Punjab Sardar Salim Haider Khan visited relief camps, pledged compensation for houses and livestock, and said he will request bill waivers and loan relief for flood-hit people. PMD issued an urban flooding alert for the next 24 hours for Islamabad, Lahore, Gujranwala, Rawalpindi, and Gujarat. The Flood Forecasting Division says the exceptionally high flood at Ganda Singhwala may persist till September 10th. Panchnath is expected to see a very high flood starting tomorrow, and the Indus at Gudu Barrage may reach high to very high between September 6 to 7. Monsoon rains are likely to lessen within 24 hours. The Indian High Commission has also communicated high flood alerts at Satluj, Harike below, Satluj, Firozpur below, and Tavi in Indian-occupied Jammu. PMT reported a very high flood at Marala Barrage. Since monitoring cell reports a medium flood at Gudu Barrage with 354,224 cusics outflow. Sakar and Kotri remain in low flood at 250,875 and 237,999 cusics respectively.